Hello everybody, welcome back. So I know that we're all searching for the cheapest form of nitrogen to put on our lawns. So, Peak Blue Def. Is this the cheapest? No, I think we could go cheaper. This is about 16 bucks. What about this? The Walmart brand, $8.88. I think, have we reached the cheapest? No. What are these two products? These are just water and urea. So how about we just make our own def? Here I have half a pound of urea. It's about a cup and a quarter. Mix that in with some water. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to create our own diesel exhaust fluid and the cheapest source of nitrogen that you could possibly get and put on your lawn. Now, how cheap is this compared to the Peak brand Blue Def and even the Walmart brand? Well, let's go over some math. The Peak brand, 16 bucks. I did the math on a previous video. Contains 3.45 pounds of nitrogen in that whole jug. So if we divide that per ounces, 0.01078 pounds of nitrogen per ounce. And this combination here, a half a pound of urea plus a gallon of water, yields us a 0.23 pounds of nitrogen per application per 1,000 square feet. So if we want similar results, 0.23 divided by the nitrogen in the ounces, 21.33 ounces. So we need roughly 21 ounces of DEF to give us similar results to half a pound of urea. The Peak DEF is 5 cents per ounce. 16 divided by 320, 5 cents per ounce. Multiply that by the 21 ounces that we need to add to a gallon of water. You're at $1.05 per 1,000 square feet. Walmart DEF, even cheaper, $8.88. Same math applies for the amount of nitrogen per ounce. We still need the 21 ounces to yield us 0.23 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. We go through the math. We're at 58 cents per 1,000 square feet of our application. Now, if we go to the urea, which is a straight 4600, I picked up this 50-pound bag at a local lawn care supply for $48. Urea is 46% nitrogen. You have 23 pounds of nitrogen in this 50-pound bag. We need half a pound of urea plus a gallon of water. That yields us 0.23 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. This is simple math. 1 pound of urea is 0.46 pounds of nitrogen. Cut that in half, you're at 0.23 pounds of nitrogen. If you divide $48 by 50 pounds, you're at 96 cents a pound. Since we're using half a pound, 48 cents per 1,000 square feet at an application rate of 0.23 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. Now this bag I got for $48. I have seen urea online for as low as $25 for a 50-pound bag. So that brings this number down even lower. Unfortunately, that supplier doesn't ship to my area. So here we go. We finally put this to rest. The cheapest form of nitrogen you could get. Just get the urea, mix it with some water if you want to apply it as a foliar application, and you're saving yourself money in the long run. Thanks again. Take care.